Hello everyone, this is a quick guide on how to install the line-in or aux line in Mitsubishi Colt. As far as I know, this works in other models as well for Mitsubishi. I hope you can follow the instructions in the video and do the same for your car. I connected the cables from the other way around. You can do it as you can see in this screenshot. It's the best way to do it. Perfection. In order to go to the aux mode, you need to press the aux button for 2 or 3 seconds, and then the audio will come from the cable. The trickier part, at least for me, was to remove and install the panels under the radio CD player. It was a bit confusing and I thought I cracked something, but fortunately I did not, and everything worked as expected.